today we are presenting our project, which is fire alarm PCB system with blink and email notification. The components used in this project are ESP8266, flame sensor, buzzer, red LED, a yellow LED, two 180 resistors, PCB board, wire connector, and a power supply. Connection of components. The flame sensor is connected to pin D2 of the ESP8266. The buzzer is connected to pin D5. The red LED is connected to pin D6. And the yellow LED is connected to pin D7 with resistors for current limiting. This is the schematic design. And this is the PCB layout. So how does the system works? Next, we programmed the system using the Arduino IDE. We uploaded the code to the ESP8266 by connecting it to the computer using a USB cable. After selecting the correct board and the COM port in Arduino IDE, we compiled and uploaded the code successfully to the ESP module. When the system is powered on, it automatically connects to Wi-Fi and the Blink application. The flame sensor continuously monitors the surroundings. Once a flame is detected, the ESP8266 processes the signal. The buzzer immediately sounds and the red LED lights up as a warning. At the same time, the system sends a real-time notification and email alert to Blink and email. And when the fire is gone, the system automatically returns to standby mode.